This is a 2014 Subaru Legacy. I believe that they call this trim level the premium. 4-cylinder, I think 2.5 liter all-wheel drive, automatic trans. As we go through, you may see a couple door dings and things like that. We're gonna have my dent guy address this car. A very clean interior, got a sunroof, got a backup camera, heated seats, power windows, locks and mirrors, side airbags. Oops, sorry, I got my finger in the picture there. Having to use my phone today. Left my iPad that I do these videos with at home. Really, really a nice car. Just turned 111 in miles. I'm going to start it up. You may hear it has a slight little exhaust rattle. We will take care of that. No lights on the dash other than need to get some gas in it. You got XM radio, all your climate controls through here, heated seats. Let's pop the hood and check that out. Came right out of the Subaru dealership in Lancaster. Really tidy engine bay. Motor runs good. It'll go through the shop, get checked out. It'll come with a new PA inspection. Sorry, you gotta listen to the truck. But hopefully you come down, check us out. We're Josie's Auto Sales in Gilbertsville. Hope to see you here soon. Please hit like and subscribe, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.